Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12A of chapter 12, Simple Interest. Question number 1 is written here. Find the simple interest and the amount. Find the simple interest and the amount when P equal to rupees 6,400, R equal to 6% per annum, and T equal to 2 years. So first of all, find SI. Use the formula number 1. SI equal to P into R into T by 100. P into R into T by 100. Keep the value, put the value of P, R and T, rupees 6,400 into 6 into 2 by 100. 00 to 00 cancel. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. 64 into 12. Multiply here. 64 into 12. 4 to the 8 and 6 to the 12. 4 1 ja 4, 6 1 ja 6. 8, 6, 7. So rupees 768 answer. And next answer is find the amount. So A equal to P plus SI. P equal to rupees 6,400 plus SI rupees 768 equal to add it 0 plus 8 8 0 plus 6 6 and 4 plus 7 11 of 1 carry 1 6 plus 1 7 rupees 7,168 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of exercise 12A. Find the simple interest and the amount when P equal to principal equal to rupees 1,500, rate equal to 12% per annum, and time equal to 3 years 3 months. So time change in months. So 3 years 3 months means 3 whole month divided by 12 change into year. So 3 divided by 12. 3 4 ja 12 equal to 3 whole 1 by 4. 3 whole 1 by 4. 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4 years. Now find SI equal to SI equal to P into R into T by 100 equal to P equal to rupees 1,500, R equal to 12 into T equal to 13 by 4. 13 by 4. 13 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Now divided by 100. So 4 into 100. 00 to 00 cancel. 4 3 ja 12. Here 13 3 ja 39. Multiply 15. or 15 3 is 45 also. Multiply by 13. 5 3 is 15 or 5 carry 1. 4 3 is 12, 1 13. Now 5 1 is 5, 4 1 is 4. So 5 plus 3 8 and 4 plus 1 5. Rupees 585. Rupees 585 answer. And second, find the amount. So amount equal to P plus SI equal to P equal to rupees 1500 plus SI 585 rupees 585. Now add 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 8 8, 5 plus 5 10 of 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. Rupees 2085. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 5. Find the simple interest and the amount when principal equal to rupees 5000, R equal to rate equal to 9% per annum, and the time equal to 146 days. Time is given in the form of days, so it's changed into year. Days divided by 365 change it into year. So 146 by 365 days. Table of 73. 73 2 ja 146 and 73 5 ja 365. So 2 by 5 years. Now find SI. SI equal to P into R into T equal to P equal to rupees 5000 into R equal to 9 and T equal to 2 by 5 by divided by 100. Sorry. P into R into T by 100. It is the formula to find SI. Now 5000 into 9 into 2 by 5 into 100. 00 to 00 cancel. Now 5 10 ja 50. So equal to 9 to the 18 into 10 rupees 180. SI. Now find amount. A equal to P plus SI equal to P equal to rupees 5000 plus rupees 180 equal to rupees 5180. Rupees 5180. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8. Find the time. Find the time when principal equal to rupees 5000, amount equal to 6450 and rate equal to 12% per annum. So find first of all ASI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 6,450 minus rupees 5,000 equal to 6,450 minus 5,000. 0, 5, 4 and 6 minus 5, 1. Rupees 1,450. Therefore find time. T equal to ASI into 100 by P into R equal to ASI rupees 1,450 into 100 by P, so rupees 5,000 into R equal to 12. First of all, 00 to 00. And 10 to 10. And 5 times divide it. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 45, 5 9 the 45. So it's into 29 right here. 29 by 12 years. 29 by 12 years. 29 divided by 12. So 2 whole. 12 to the 24, 2 whole. 5 by 12 year equal to 2 years, and 5 by 12 change into month. So 5 by 12 into 12 months. 12 to 12 cancel equal to 12 years, 5 months answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12A, question number 1 to 8. Thank you. That's all.